Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Design Hut. Today's topic is typographical logo design. So let's start and make a typographical logo. First of all, I will fix my thumbnail and then I'll go for the main design for this typographical design. So first I will start and I will make it delete. Then I will and delete. Then what I will do that I will make a ellipse tool here. Okay, it should be the color. Today's color will be the yellow color. I'll choose it yellow. I will decrease stroke, null stroke. Then I will I will arrange it. Sorry, I will arrange it on the circle on the centered. Then arrange it on the centered. I'll make it arrange it, bring it on font. Then how it look like? I think it's look pretty good. Now I will go for the editing, and now here typogra sorry, I made a mistake here. PHICAL typographical logo design. Then I will go for the is make it uncentered. Then I will change here something, its color. I will choose this color as which color will be the perfect here. I'll make it deep orange color. Then I'll make it which color will be perfect for it. I'll make it deeper. Okay, then I will make it also orange and make it deeper pink. Then I will make it pink, deeper pink. So yes, now how it look like? I think it's look pretty good. Now I am going to save it. And now I will export it as PNG format. So click here the artboard, make it PNG, replace it with the first. And now I will go for the main function. What is the typographical logo? So let's start. Every logo you have to take 10 into 10 inch template, so make it 10 into 10 inch. So today I will write here Sam, sorry, Sam. Then I have to increase it. I will make it 200 and change its font. Which font will be the perfect for it? I will change it. Yeah. Okay, good. Now I will make a things. I will copy it. Copy this. Copy this. Sorry. And now, okay, I will change this color. Change its color. Let's make it. Then I will arrange it. Sorry. Now how it look like? I think it's look pretty good. This is a logo, and you can bring it small. Then you have to you got the perfect color. Sorry, perfect color. And now I will increase it. You can see here on the back is black, and the upper is small blue. How it look like? I think it's look pretty good. Then I will go for the next design. I will make a. Then I will change its font. Its font. Okay, its font. And now I will go to the. Sorry, I made a mistake here. Yeah, how it look? I think it's look also good. You can see it. It's look also good. This is the typographical logo design. You can see here, and I will show you the more things. Sorry, made a mistake here. Just change here this color. I will make it just make it gradient here. Which gradient will be perfect for it? Sorry, I think here is the problem. Here is the problem, and why this? Why I don't know. Sorry. And now, okay. And this is the typographical logo design, and I will show you the more things on the next class. And till then, Allah Hafiz. Thank you all. and to subscribe my channel, be with us and enjoy the video, enjoy the teaching, and enjoy the training. Thank you all. Assalamu alaikum.